Hello students, welcome to my channel Marine Engineering Tutorials. I am Atul Kumar Gupta. These tutorials aim to provide knowledge of marine engineering subjects covering main and auxiliary machineries in a simple way so that students are able to understand the topics easily for clearing the exams and also to work on the ship in a safe and efficient manner to protect the life, property and the environment while at sea. I will be covering the subjects such as marine boilers and steam systems, marine auxiliary machinery systems and deck machinery, refrigeration and air conditioning, marine machinery systems, marine pollution prevention and safety, piping and pumping systems, their design and operations, and marine internal combustion engines and technology for B.Tech marine engineering course as per the syllabus specified by Indian Maritime University. Creation of this channel is inspired by Maritime India-Vision 2030 of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. It is my small contribution towards enhancing India's stature by doubling the share of Indian seafarers in global shipping. Hope you will enjoy the learning through these tutorials.